Hey there. So you are somebody who's heading the SEO efforts of your organization, and now you learned something new about Schema. And you know that proper implementation of Schema can lead to very good ranking in SERPs, which are search engine ranking profiles. So you can get good rankings if the Schema implementation is good. But now you are scratching your head, how do I implement schema tags on HubSpot website or page? Is this even humanly possible? Yes, absolutely, that's possible. And today we are going to tell you how to do the same. So guys, if you want to add schema tags to your website or blog on HubSpot, it's very easy to do so. To do so, firstly click on marketing, then click on website, click on blog. Here, once you are inside the blog post section, click on a particular blog post that you want to edit, click on the edit button. Then once you have clicked on the edit button, inside this, here's this button called as settings on the top right. Click there, scroll down below. In the other in tags section, you can select one of the tags which are normal tags. But if you go down below, there is a metadata section. You scroll further. In the section where you get additional code snippets, here in the head HTML section, you can paste appropriate schema of your choice. So maybe I want to have some custom schema on my website. So I showed you the section where you can paste the code, but in order to do so, search for something called a schema generator. So here we get a schema generator tool. Any of those top 3 tools would do. Go to the schema markup generator and generate particular schema to paste in the HTML section of your HubSpot website. So which schema markup would you like to create? Maybe I want to create a person schema markup. So the person would be me and the URL would be for our organization. So as you can see, in real time, the code is being updated on the right side. So picture URL can be somewhere where my picture is hosted in the social profile section. Maybe you can put a Instagram link, the Instagram URL, which can be something like this. In the company section, put in the name of the company for which you want to create the schema. In the job title, you can put the role of the person who's here. The schema is generated, schema type, application. Context is that the type of the schema is a person, and then just copy this schema from here. Just click on this copy button, and then you can paste the schema in the head HTML section of your website, and this schema would now take precedence. And then just click on this cross button, click on finally publish button, and your schema would be updated. So that's how it's done. It's simple and easy. So guys, I hope this schema implementation was on point just like our videos. And in case you still need our help, we are always just one free call away, which can be accessed by the QR code on the screen in front of you. Or you can also comment down below in case you are running into some general issues. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.